Hello everyone, welcome to SAT Maths. This is chapter number 2, linear equation, and the subtopic is how to write the equations over here, and we will be doing the practice questions over here. So let's start with this. The first question, 18 more than the number n is 125. So 18 more than the number n. So 18 more than the number means n plus 18, that is equal to 125. What is the value of n? So subtracting 18 from both the sides, so simply 107 is the number. Similar to type this, 8 less than 4 times the number c. So when we say 4 times the number c, it's 4c. 8 less than that means 4c minus 8 is means equal to 20. What is the value of c? Adding 8 on both the sides and dividing by 4 on both the sides. So 28 divided by 4 is 7. So c is 7. Next one says the sum of 4 consecutive odd integers is 296. What is the greatest of 4 consecutive odd integers? Now in the consecutive odd integers, the difference is of 2. So we can say first one is n, second one is n plus 2, third one is n plus 4, and fourth one is n plus 6. That is equal to 296. If you add them, so 1, 2, 3, 4, it is 4n, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 12. Although you can solve this equation in the Desmos also, but you can solve like this also. 296 minus 12 over here, it's 284, and dividing by 4, so it is 71. So n is 71, so greatest one is n plus 6. Since greatest is equal to n plus 6, so 71 plus 6 is 77. So the greater one is the 77 over here. This is the greatest integer. Now pause this video, solve this. Okay, so here it is written a number g is decreased by 23 and then multiplied by 1 by 2. The result is 8 more than twice the number g. Let's solve this. Number g is decreased by 23. So number g is decreased by 23 and then multiplied by 1 by 2. So the result is multiplied by 1 by 2. The result is, this result is 8 more than twice the number g. So 2g plus 8. 8 more than twice the number g. Now we have to solve this. So we have to get the value of g over here. So multiply by 2 on both the sides. So g minus 23 is equal to, if you multiply by 2 over here, so 2 times 2 is 4g plus 16. Now let's take 4g on the left hand side. So g minus 4g, and take this negative 23 on the right hand side, or you can say adding 23 on both the sides. So 16 plus 23. So that is minus 3g over here, and this is 39. So g equals to 39 divided by negative 3. So g equals to negative 13. Option A is the correct answer. Let's solve this. The quotient of p and q is 12 less than 3 times the sum of p and q. Which of the following equation represents the statement above? Quotient of p and q means p divided by q is 12 less. This is 12 less than what? Then 3 times the sum of p and q. Okay, so we can say one thing. This quotient of p and q is 12 less than the 3 times the sum of p and q. So 3 times the sum of p and q is this, and this is 12 less than this. So we are subtracting this. So p upon q is equal to 3 times of p plus q minus 12, which is option C. So I hope you have understood these questions. So if you have any doubt in the SAT math, you can send me over this WhatsApp number, or you can on the mail ID. Thank you for watching this.